Hello friends, I welcome you all to my channel. I am Pratima. Today I have taken a question from JEE Main. It is based on algebra and some of the series. So the question is, if 20 power 19 plus 2 multiplies 21 multiplies 20 power 18 plus 3 multiplies 21 square 20 power 17 plus so on plus up to 20 multiplies 21 power 19 equals to k multiplies 20 power 19. We have to find the value of k. So let us rearrange this equation. That means left side I'll write your k into 20 power 19 equals to 20 power 19 plus 2 multiplies 21 20 power 18 plus 3 into 21 square 20 power 17 up to last term is 20 multiplies 21 power 19. So to separate k, what I'll do, I'll divide 20 power 19 on both left side and right side. So in the left side I'll get k 20 power 19 over 20 power 19. So here this equals to 20 power 19 over 20 power 19 plus 2 into 21. Here 20 power 18 by 20 power 19 plus 3 into 21 square into 20 power 17 over 20 power 19. Please observe very carefully and try to follow it because it needs some focus. So 20 power 19. So left side I am getting k only. I separated dividing with this. So this you will find first term is equal to a0 1 and second term is equal to 2. Here 2018 divided 2019. So I'll get 120 in the denominator. So it will be, I'll write 21 over 20. In the third term, I'll write this is 2017 divided 2019. So I'll get 120 square in the denominator. So I can write this one 21 by 20 square. And whatever the last will be 21 over 20 whole to the power 19. So we are getting a arithmetico-geometric series where r equals to your 21 by 20. So if I take r as 21 by 20, then this reduces to the equation can be written as k equals to 1 plus 2r plus 3r square, so on, and last will be 20 r to the power 19. So the series. We know how to find the uh, sum of this series. What we do, we multiply r in the whole equations. So multiplying with r, I'll write k times of r equals to r plus 2r square. 1 multiply r, 2r multiply 2r square, 3r cube up to here the previous term would be 19r18. When I am multiplying with r, I'll get 19 into r to the power 19 and this is plus 20 r to the power 20. This is the last term. Okay, now I'll subtract equation 2 from 1 so that taking common k, subtracting. equation 2 from 1. So k common, it will be 1 minus r, and you will see that 1 will be left, and 2r minus r, this will gives us r. Similarly 3r minus 2r, it will gives us again r square, not 2r square, it will be r square. Then your r cube, and so on. Here it will be r19, and this will be left as a negative 20 r power 20. I'll write k into 1 minus r. If I'll put the sum of the series, it will be a into s is equal to a into r to the power n minus 1 over r minus 1. So r is here written, a is 1 here, so 1 into r to the power n minus 1 over r minus 1, and here r is how much? R is 20. And of course this term is there, 20 into r to the power 20. So now I'll substitute the value of r equals to your 21 by 20. We'll get k into 1 minus 21 by 20 equals to r is 21 by 20 power 20 minus 1 over 21 by 20 minus 1 again, minus 20 into 21 by 20 power 20, or this is negative 1 by 20k. And let us simplify this. This is first term 20 power 20 minus 1, and the denominator will be just 1 by 20 minus 20 into 21 by 20 to the power 20. So let us simplify now. So minus 1 by 20k equals to, here 20 will be multiplied, so this will be 20 into 21 by 20 to the power 20, and it will be also multiplied with 1, so minus your 20, minus 20 into 21 by 20 power 20. So these two will be cancelled, or k equals to minus 1 by 20k equals to minus 20, or k equals to your 400. So it is a MCQ question. So k is equal to 400 is the answer. So I hope you enjoyed. Thank you for watching. Please keep on watching and keep on learning, because there is no end of learning.